Hi everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and I'm super excited to welcome Rakshit Chopra, who is a student of Batch 3 offline program at Digital Scholar. Welcome to the show, Rakshit. How have you been?
I've been good, Rishi. Like I'm so glad about Digital Scholar, and I'm doing good, like amazing.
Superb, Rakshit. So can you introduce yourself, who you are, what were you doing before you joined Digital Scholar, and what was the purpose of learning digital marketing?
Yeah. So I'll start basically I'm a freelance photographer. I studied photography professionally, and I was working with different brands on getting their products done, getting the interiors, and my domain was interiors. And what I realized was like as and when I was working with those brands, they were also asking suggestions of how to display the product, how to market the product, how to get the attraction from the product. So I realized, this is my liking, and I'm actually enjoying explaining to them the different ways in which you can actually, approach the market. You can market the product, you can show the product in different ways and stuff. And then I realized, this is actually a part of digital marketing. I'm doing digital marketing in the sense, and I was like, okay, I am getting interested towards it, so let's go deeper into it. And then I was like, uh, uh, getting the technical knowledge of it, getting the marketing strategies of it, what needs to be done. So I came across Digital Scholar. I was actually looking at a different training institutes all over India, because I was like, I wanted to get the best, training available, because when you get the best trainers and you get the best education, it actually puts you leap forward in front of others. So you have more knowledge about the subject as such. So I actually met you on the first day, and we had a lengthy 1 hour discussion about this. I still remember that. And so you explained all the ways in which Digital Scholar worked, the faculty you had, the trainers you had, and how was the entire approach to education from Digital Scholars point of view. And that meeting itself, and that information which I got, the way I understood, that is what made me choose a Digital Scholar. Like, it was a no brainer at that time.
Thank you.
So
Thank you for that, Rakshit.
that is what my journey is from before.
Superb. So I believe yes, you were into photography, and you got attracted to the field of digital marketing, and that's why you chose and you wanted to solidify the entire concepts by learning from us. Now, during your stay for almost about 4 months, right? We did
Yeah.
offline and also online because of the lockdown and everything. What was one not one what was those amazing moments which you loved about Digital Scholar? What was their subjects that you really had a liking to, or you just share what you went through in those 4 months personally?
Yeah. So I remember, the first day I stepped into Digital Scholar as a student. So I mean, a Digital Scholar don't call like us students; they used to call us scholars, So I mean, that was the tag given to us. And the first day, like I remember Saurabh telling us, you will be divided into agencies of your own, you will be divided into teams of your own, and you have to get along with them, because that is how you will be working professionally. So I really like the approach, on from day one itself, we were like, made us understood and pointed in the right direction, you are going to be working like this, so let's start it from the first day. So I got a very beautiful, amazing people to work with in my agency. I was so happy for that. And the daily interaction with them, because learning as a single person is a complete different thing. And when you're in a team and you learn all the subjects, and all the theories and everything as a team, it just gives you 10x of information from there.
True.
So the all the different mentors, everyone were amazing. I personally like the Google ad session and the Facebook ad session, because I was very much interested to understand how the algorithm works, how the ad comes and all. My main question was like, how does they know to target me for this particular thing? Like, if I want shoes, how do they know, I want those particular shoes, and they are just coming, that shoe advertisement is coming on my phone. So I was very intrigued by that. And Tanvir and Mary, like they were the mentors, and they just explained it brilliantly. And I was like, there's so much of knowledge and so much of information which they gave out. And so what I like the best from those mentors were they were actually giving out the agency's point of view, like not just a digital marketer point of view, the actual working of what the actual data sets are, and how does it look in real life. Because getting theoretical knowledge is one thing, but having the practical, you get to see the practical numbers, you get to see the actual graphs, and the lifeline of the journey of the entire thing. So I mean, that is what attracted me the most, and that is what I love the most about Digital Scholar.
Superb. That's amazing. So you were pretty much inclined towards advertisements, and since you graduated, how was the placement process like? And did Digital Scholar help you in any way getting a job of your choice? And can you share some insights on what was the placement process like?
I like this is the most unbelievable part of this, because after I joined Digital Scholar, I went to the placement head. I spoke to Mr. Anand, and I told him, like, I am interested in advertisement. I have like my field in photography, so I want to work in an agency, where my photography skills can come into play and my marketing skills can come into play. And he made note of that. And whenever the different recruiters came in and all, he used to come and share all the profiles. The place where I work right now, Rishi, can you hear me?
I
Yeah.
can hear
So the
you.
place
Yes.
where I work right, yeah, the place where I work right now, it's Eight Spades. It's a advertisement and digital marketing agency. So the funny thing is, I actually didn't wanted to apply for this job, to be very honest. But the placement head, like Anand, he came to me personally, and he told me, like, look, Rakshit, this is what you wanted, this is what you told me, and this is exactly in your like vision. So I personally think you should definitely give it a go, because these are all where your strengths are. And I'm so glad that he came to me personally with this. And I gave all my interviews. We had 3 rounds of interviews, and I got selected and I got placed in this company, which I initially didn't even have an inclination to. And after coming to this company, I just realized, the placement head was exactly right on, like bang on point. He
Wow.
exactly knew what were my strengths, and he knew, like, this would be the
Perfect
right
choice
place
for
for
you.
me. And I'm so glad that this happened.
Superb.
Yeah.
That's so nice to hear, and a big shout out to Arogya Anand, who's our placement coordinator. So, how many opportunities were you given to, or is it just one opportunity exactly matching your profile, and were you given the chance, or you also were inclined towards other prospects or other employers?
Yeah. So I, based on my this thing profile and my strengths and my interest, actually Anand came up with a lot of different profiles for me. Like, I had the option of nearly 10 different placement opportunities in my profile, and I actually applied for like 5 or 6 of them, and the interview process went on and stuff. But I finally came to this.
Superb. So, what was the package you cracked, Rakshit?
I mean, so from the interview, like, we spoke, and I really liked the founders and all, and I got placed for a package of 3.5 lakhs up, like
Superb, superb. So 3.5 plus
3.5
up.
lakhs plus.
Although we don't want to reveal the exact numbers because we just don't want to reveal the exact numbers, but yes, 3.5 plus is a very good deal altogether. And most importantly, this is your learning phase, and you will definitely
Exactly.
work hands on, and you will basically scale up in the same field down the line. So Rakshit, one final few words for the people who are interested in this field and who are interested in Digital Scholar. What is your take? Like, should they pursue digital marketing? Is it a good field for photographers out there? Now, if they watch us, what is that one thing you want to say about this field? The interest, like, and also, is Digital Scholar a good place for all of this?
Yeah. So like my one take, what I've understood in the past 4 months is like digital marketing is definitely the only place to be right now if you want to go for marketing. Like, that is where the future lies. And especially for a photographer, you are working with brands. If you can give them an added value on service, right, they will have a complete package, and they can go to you from the start to the end of the product journey, because for the brands, the product journey starts from, the product photographing and then marketing and getting sales out of it. So if everything can be done by you, then, it's, I mean, there's no brainer, like, they'll obviously come to you. And my one suggestion for you is actually learn the concepts and, how to apply the digital marketing, trends, the different ideas, understand the concepts first. Tools are very, there's so many tools you can, each agency, each brand has its own tools and all. Don't focus too much on the tools, but rather focus on the concepts of it. And this was the particular reason I joined Digital Scholar also, because Digital Scholar from day one, they were very inclined on getting the concepts right. They went through the basic understanding of, how things work, rather than you do this and this will come out. They were like, why does this happen? When you understand that why, how when will automatically fall into place. So I mean, this is
Perfect.
what Digital Scholar made me understand, and this is my take on it.
Superb. Thank you so much, Rakshit. You have been a lovely student and you did all the homeworks and we had a very good time together. I only wish you all the success and we'll keep catching up and we'll, keep talking about digital marketing since it's
Surely,
our
surely, yeah.
field right now. So thank you so much for doing the interview and it's a goodbye right now. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Rishit. It was nice speaking to you.
Yes,
Yeah.
same here,
Thank
Rakshit.
you so much for the amazing opportunity as well.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Rakshit, until next time. Thank you. Bye bye.